Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hayi igama lami nguvuyiseka Khilwa ne. Ningalibali. Welcome Mihlali. I'm with Mihlali. Khilo. So what are we doing today? Okay, first masiqale ke sana ngo.
Ngicela specify but it's non-alcoholic.
Oh, okay, well, guys, we are drinking non-alcoholic because sana Tala singaseli more smoke.
Yeah.
It's yeah.
Yeah.
And we are
For
happy.
Lent ngokuzibasida, so it's just that time of the year.
Yeah.
So are we chasing to our sibling tag that we're doing?
Yes.
Alright. So we're doing the sibling tag, okay guys? We're gonna do who's most likely, then send the truth questions, net dare questions. Our producer Lou is gonna be reading out the questions for us, so let's get started.
Okay, so first we're gonna do who's more likely to.
Okay.
Who is more likely?
Oh wait. Let's feel like we dare questions again. This is what we're gonna mix brown spirit vinegar, this is the Worcester sauce, and then that's Leona. Disclaimer.
Mntaseyasazi sabhongo.
Answers.
Akava kuxoxa umuntu yo asana wabhodlisa bhongo.
That's it. As collab ngoku masiqale.
Thina sobabini namhlanje sizawubhodlisa
Do
bhongo.
that. Oh, you answer the question.
I'm not saying I'm Zizuzenza because I've done burpees. Okay.
First we're gonna do who is most likely to. Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
You are. Yes,
I'm
your family.
No.
Wayena umnandi akwazi uzikhompose I'm collected.
But you know what, mhlawumbi xa noba because if uzohleka kwi-moment ezrongo is because maybe ndiba kwi-panic and then that's how I respond to.
I think that's you're just light-hearted. You don't take things too seriously in that moment. You process things later.
Yeah. Wow. Which reminds me, this I call an ex-colleague yam, just a quick one. Call an ex-colleague yam. So yeah, if you city is or apparently usars at the time, usars was.
Yeah.
So we have to like, oh friend, yes, they are banned from usars. And what ufike sithi bathi owe 20,000. Yeah, and like I could see uyapanika akwazi ufunction cabanga
Don't tell me you laughed.
so but I was like I'm a friend sizoyibhatala nje lo mali. 10 years later uyandiremind athi ukodwa wena umuntu akanoza kuwe oke ndaza kwenisithi
Imali.
owe 20,000 wathi wena sayibhatala that time awunayo 100 rand ebhankini. But that's me guys.
That's you. That's you.
Who is most likely to get lost even with Google Maps?
You always lost. Imagine, remember when you had to go to Atlanta, you got to Atlanta by a whole hour because you lost because you know Google Maps. So I'm really good with Google Maps, especially if you park on navigation screen, then I'm good to go.
I'm guilty. Like ngalahleka nje mna.
You're guilty.
That is why I think also I don't go to indawo ezintsha because I don't like ndiyoyika because ndazi ndizawulahleka noba ndilahleka noba ndiyabona uba famba ndijika apha and then inavigating andixeleli. Like I just like I follow laa ndlela i-one or even when I go to work nangoku uba unothi mande emsebenzini kuthiwe kwitraffic ngapha now you have to use enye indlela
uzolahleka. I actually enjoy it because I feel like it's like an adventure. It's like you're getting to know indlela ezintsha.
Oh wow!
So I enjoy it.
I'm not them. One better one by the way.
Yeah. Alright.
Next question. Who is most likely to win a reality TV show?
Oh, it's obvious.
Guys, I'm dead.
You're the content creator. You're the one with the.
And the next question is, Who is most likely to randomly start dancing in public?
Losisi Tamkwam. And then those are them. It's you.
I play case I was not justified, but no. Okay.
You are a comedian at heart, I think. Like, it's one of your gifts.
Yes. Okay.
Next question. Who's most likely to cry over a movie?
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you worse.
I'm
But
worse.
both. There was no one music.
I
But then this is
somebody sit. My other uzokwazi uzihlekisa. That time I'm like,
So the next set of questions is going to be 2 questions.
all right.
The first question is, what is the worst gift you've ever received from someone?
Are you asking we or me? Or the worst gift I've ever received? My goodness.
no.
But guys, into your gift, I was my worst because it's to get kids when you're so it might be something you don't like, but I appreciate at least
Yeah.
so to mind, if I'm being honest. It's just like, I'm thankful for this, and then
Next question. What is the most embarrassing thing you've ever done?
ever in her whole life. And this house we have no
And yeah, what?
I answer it for you actually. I answer it for you.
Please.
We said when you were, I think you were in grade 11, a matric, and there was this guy you were dating. We said, why not April Fool's Day? But I phone a prank. Or phone like the mother of the boyfriend she was with. And pranker. Mama bantu nala family yaphakama yaya one comes to Africa nyango it was April Fool's Day. This girl, imagine
Izinto nakhe ndazenza guys.
That's some crazy stuff.
Toxic nokusayapanyana. I remember when I know this other guy, like one of SDJ. I said, yini unokusayapanyana wow,
This girl.
but guys, wow, I think masiqede lapho zinintsi.
Yeah.
Next question. Have you ever faked being sick to get out of something?
Yes. I won't explain, but yes.
I do. Honestly.
Next question. What's a secret talent that you have?
But is it a secret?
I don't.
I think content creation.
It's not a secret.
It's not a secret. You are son.
Singing. And that was number, but back
But I used to. I don't know what happened. I think I'm discouraged. Knows that a teacher I am when I actually work with about schooling. For about 2, because in Anilanga 80 up, so they called other kids to come and join, and then I went there with my friend, because obviously guys like Nanga Mame, so I think she was just irritated, when I can't get up because I used to sing.
You used to sing. Even now, I was remember who was a visiting pastor back to Edimbaza.
Yeah.
And you remember that? I know today, if not you wouldn't even know the words.
Yeah. I think I'm the same. I think I'm just too playful now. It's not something that.
Do you think I was if like do you think I was
No, definitely.
Really?
Like even when we used to sing for choir and whatever, I didn't want to lead because I was told my voice is too deep.
Okay.
So Gary voice up with deeper. I'll which is not.
Can you give us a snippet? It's a secret because
yes.
Can you give us a snippet?
The song is course okay, obviously. Oh my god, that's an emotion here. I think that's what I'm trying.
There's a reason it's a secret talent.
I used to sing, no slow. No, but I don't know what happened. I think I'm discouraged because nothing get up.
Yeah.
So I think ever since then I've never.
That's not how we respond to abandonment. We can't, you can't, especially as a teacher. It should be a safe space.
So wasn't I used to sing.
Yeah, you used to sing.
So I think that's I can't think of any other
talent.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh no. This is a quick one. Is it a secret? It might not be a secret for you guys. For you.
What? Being a comedian.
What do you mean?
Cooking.
Oh no, not cooking. Budgeting and financial planning.
Oh yes, you're very good at that.
And analyzing.
Very good at that.
Data,
yeah.
Next question is: if you were to switch lives with the person next to you, what would the first thing you would do?
Oh. How bad is that?
The first thing I would do is like switching bodies, switching lives completely.
Switching lives.
Ooh, I'd plan a family trip away.
Yeah. What you say it to me?
Now we are going to our dares.
Alrighty.
The first dare is call a random contact and sing happy birthday with confidence.
Is it coming to?
Yeah, then we try a random, meaning you don't choose. Let's go to your contacts.
Not history, okay?
But is the phone book?
Yeah.
So
my phone is very short. That's okay.
So I'm gonna just do this, and then you just choose. Just
must I choose?
Yeah, and just put your finger as in the move. Put your finger.
And give me a look.
Just
you're moving slow.
When there's a fast, like so.
Then I put my corner and then I click. Yeah, bon. You.
Okay, tomorrow.
Oh no, that's
is it work people? That's not work people.
Not work people.
Never go work.
Who's it? I doesn't.
I go work.
Okay. That's the thing that I got. So I'm. Yeah.
And put it on speaker.
Let's hope it's a bad.
Then speaker. It's ringing.
It is ringing. If I get another person.
It's unavailable. Apple. Let's choose another one.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's listening to us.
yaze yande indaba. Asifuna njani? Yo hayi sani. Aisha bana ngayiphenduli yaza kana lena. But anyway, let's see if it's gonna ring.
It's gonna ring.
Yeah.
It's ringing. So I bring in the mic.
I've got mine.
Okay.
So
Hello.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelsey. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday, Kelsey.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Kelsey.
Who is this?
Happy birthday, girl. How old are you now?
It's not my birthday.
Oh, it's a day. Bye. Just like, who is this? Okay.
Oh, okay. My turn.
Try to lick your elbow.
Oh, that's easy. Try this. Come on, today try. Kind of, I have to get it, but today I must try. I tried, guys.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Next day, for the rest of the questions, speak in an accent.
Any accent. British accent.
Any accent.
Okay.
Just for the rest of the
For the rest of the video.
If you say one more, who accent is of mine, unique.
And you get
So
peanut.
for the rest of the questions now, how many questions do we have left? You will speak in an accent, not in your normal voice.
Accent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next day, send a funny voice note to someone random in your contact.
A funny voice note. But I'm not a funny person. What must it say?
You never know. What kind of fun?
So fun.
Yeah, that's random. Yeah. As if
So did you get contacts? And then do I just scroll? Okay.
you need help.
I can choose someone.
Okay.
So the teeny.
Anything funny.
Can I say something different? And then it's a voice. Hi Lucy, how are you? Ngiyakhumbula kakhulu. I'm sending you my love. What? Really shout it to everyone. Maybe it sounds normal. Hi Lucy, how are you?
You sound normal.
Because you didn't want to answer, guys.
So do another one. That's not fun.
No, you go to the next. It was your day. Don't be a sore loser. Don't be a sore loser. If Dindim and this ends, after for the taste.
I don't think I like this game.
Oh,
That's why we said teaspoon.
That's why we said a spoon.
Spoon.
Yeah.
It's not a
That's
spoon.
like my
Tea. Spoon. Tea. Spoon.
At least Lenny's one not just my it tasting a bit so bad.
Yeah,
Baba. Are you really? Mix. Then you're gonna take a gulp like ooh, the smell. It just smells good.
Time is up, man.
Marinate. It smells good.
3,
2, 1, go! That's what you get for not doing the dairy. So check out the dairy.
Okay, cool.
So the third, yes, you know say?
Okay.
Yeah, for lady day.
the last and final thing is for you to dance with no music for 20 seconds.
Alright. Let me set my timer on. Taman will tell who's the most likely to dance in public.
What's in when?
You were the first one to say, oh, it's me. I don't even have a justification.
Did I say that?
Said that. Stand up. I'm gonna start the clock. And then if I give you a timer rather. Okay, the timer is on. Ding ding, time is up.
Yo guys, I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching. We are wrapping up this one. Hopefully next week is again because we promised Basu Zoba consistent on one of his videos because we've seen about Baz
Your YouTube channel. She promised.
But guys, I promise Zoba consistent. Diabuya, I'm back. I think the good space is right in Boku. And I'm ready to shoot again.
Yeah.
Otherwise, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, comment, share some ideas of what you guys would like to see on this channel.
Yeah.
Everyone?
And last words from me: spread love, spread kindness. But before we spread it to any other person, much love.
Love it.